If you're thinking about getting divorced in Connecticut, or you've just been served with divorce papers, there are rules that apply to you immediately, even before you step into a courtroom. These are called automatic orders, and violating them can seriously hurt your case. I'm Matt Dolan with Dolan Divorce Lawyers in Connecticut, and in this video I'm going to explain what automatic orders are, when they go into effect, and the biggest mistakes I see people make that end up costing them time, money, and credibility with the court. Now, in every Connecticut divorce case, the court automatically issues a set of standing orders called automatic orders. You don't have to request them, a judge doesn't have to sign off on them. They apply by default in every divorce case in the state. The purpose of automatic orders is simple. They're meant to freeze the status quo and prevent spouses from doing something drastic while the divorce is pending. When do automatic orders start? This part is critical. For the person who files the divorce, the plaintiff, the automatic orders go into effect the moment they sign the complaint. For the other spouse, the defendant, the automatic orders go into effect as soon as they are served with the divorce papers. Now, a lot of people get into trouble because they say, "I didn't know," or "I hadn't talked to a lawyer yet." Unfortunately, that is not a defense. Once the orders apply, you are expected to follow them. What do automatic orders actually require? They cover several key areas. I'll hit on the big ones. First, you cannot transfer, hide, or waste assets. You are not allowed to sell, transfer, give away, or conceal property without written agreement or a court order, except for normal everyday expenses. That means no draining bank accounts, no moving money to a friend, and no suddenly loaning cash to a family member. Even actions you think are harmless can be flagged by the court. 2, you must maintain existing insurance. Automatic orders require both parties to maintain all existing insurance. That includes health insurance, auto insurance, life, and homeowners insurance, exactly as it existed when the case started. Canceling or changing insurance is one of the fastest ways to get yourself in trouble with a judge. 3, children cannot be permanently removed from the state. If you have minor children, automatic orders prohibit either parent from permanently removing them from Connecticut without written consent or a court order. 4, no cutting off access to children. If the parents of children live apart while the divorce is ongoing, they shall assist their children in having contact with both parents. The contact should be consistent with the recent habits of the family. Judges take this very seriously. They do not like when parents cut one another off from contacting their children. So here are the 3 mistakes I see all the time. Mistake number 1, the defense of "I was just protecting myself financially." Judges don't see it that way if you move money unilaterally. Mistake number 2, "It was my account, so I thought I could do whatever I wanted." Ownership does not override the automatic orders. And mistake number 3, "I didn't think the orders applied yet." Timing matters, and getting it wrong can be expensive. Violating the automatic orders can lead to court sanctions, orders to return money or property, payment of the other party's attorney's fees, and damage to your credibility with the judge. In custody cases, it can even impact the custody orders. Judges remember who followed the rules and who didn't. So keep in mind that the automatic orders are not suggestions. They are court orders that apply immediately in every Connecticut divorce case. So if you're considering divorce or you've just been served, understanding these rules before you act can save you serious trouble later. If you have questions about how automatic orders apply to your specific situation, or you're looking for representation in a divorce or family law matter here in Connecticut, I would invite you to contact our office for help.